Want to make your own thumbnail for free? In this video, I'll tell you 5 simple steps using which you can make your own thumbnail. So let's start. First, go to Sparkadobe and sign in with your account. After that, choose the shape you want of your thumbnail. Like for example, choose YouTube thumbnail. After choosing the shape, choose the image or search for the image as per your topic. You can also upload the photo from your device. Now choose the image. You can choose one or more image at the same time. Now by double click you can edit your text. After editing the text, you can change the font color and size of the font. You can also make the necessary changes from the here given features in Adobe.Spark. After making the necessary changes, you can download the image either with JPG and PNG. Your thumbnail is ready to use. You see how easy it was to make a thumbnail. Now you guys can go and make a thumbnail of your own. Hit the like button if you liked the video and subscribe my channel for more such videos.